Now if I look at this question, is it 2b power minus 4, 3 power minus 30, minus 20, 4 minus 1, 9 power minus 6, right? So above, then the numerator is always, it is already in the simplified form. In the denominator we can write it in simplified form in the form of 2 power 2 power minus 1, 3 power 2 power minus 6. And if you recall, by multiplying it in the brackets, the powers are being multiplied. So after multiplying it, we have 2 power minus 2 in the denominator and the numerator 2 power minus 4. The final value becomes 2 power minus 4 plus 2. Similarly 3 power minus 20 plus 12, and solving it further we are getting 2 power minus 2 and 3 power minus 8. So the only option with the option of 3 power minus 8 is option number C, and this is our final answer. If you recall, powers are negative, so it can be written as 1 over, a reciprocal of the terms can be written when the powers are negative. This is the end of the session. Hope you guys have understood this.